I want to share with you that I had a problem with my printer. It wasn't printing the magenta color. Don't go away, because I'm about to tell you the solution, and it works for any color that isn't printing. The first thing I did was print a nozzle check pattern to verify, and indeed, as we can see here, the magenta color does not appear in the pattern. And if you're wondering, how do you print a nozzle check pattern? Here's how. Click on File, then Print, then Printing Properties. Go to the Maintenance tab, and here you'll find Nozzle Check. This is how we print the pattern. Click here, and then select Print Test Pattern. I want to mention that these two options, cleaning and deep cleaning, which are usually used to fix this problem, did not work to solve it. Both consume ink, just like the solution I'm sharing with you, but it uses a reasonable amount to fix the issue without having to spend extra money on repairs or replacing the printhead, etc. The solution is very simple and is actually in the manual, but I'll share it quickly here. What we need to do is press and hold the stop button. You'll see an orange light start blinking. Keep holding the button until it blinks 5 times, and then release it. The green light will start flashing, and the printer will begin a suction process. You'll hear the roller moving for about 10 minutes. During this process, you must leave the printer alone. Don't send anything to print or perform any other tasks. After this time, when the green light stays solid and the printer stops making noise, you can print a new pattern. Here's the result. The magenta color is perfect again, and the colors in copies or color prints have returned to normal. I hope this video was helpful. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, where I'll be sharing more troubleshooting videos. God bless you.